Hi, GC News. Bima Olivia Akwaba. The latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm a Bremo. And so when you subscribe, Omo say over subscribe. Now like no share video. You say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We have the video be upload with the first person on Africa and your video. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for us now. When you be here and some koso e work on my mohano. I feel young share ye and some abeto your proso. Nti ye san komo ya e koso. Yeti ye in some way.
Nanado came out openly and said, I will put my presidency on the line. Question: is galamsey better today than it was in 2016? Answer: no. Is it worse? Yes. Is it a lot worse? Yes, a lot worse. And it is involved, as you quietly pointed out, if you've decided that you will not deal with any of your people who constantly have been breaching this, have been identified, why is that minister still in post? Why is that parliamentary? Why do you withdraw and bring another?
The police they invited him to the police station.
But
then he issued some statement and end of story.
Exactly. But if you are serious people trying to deal with the issue, you would have said my.
They receive the BNI or NIB and National Security reports every day. They are aware of all those.
They know everything.
Honorable Alima, before she left for ambassadorial work, told us she was addressing the MMDCs and said that they have a list of all of them who are engaged in this thing.
So there is no political will to deal with galamsey. Let us be clear, and that's why they must be voted out of power. There's no political will. So when we come to put the same pressure on us to deal with it, but we don't have power, we cannot do anything till we have power. And we are saying that we are going to deal with only small.
They have the power to go to the galamsey side and tell them that they should continue to do it.
We never said that.
So Chief.
That is wrong.
So Chief.
No.
Chief.
Yes, please.
If tomorrow.
Yes.
That's why I said that. I see people who post things on social media and they are picked up by the police. Because what they posted is seen as something illegal or criminal or something. I'm saying that it is only a useless government.
You have the power.
It is only a useless government that will say that I've seen somebody engage. Please let me finish.
You've gone far.
No, please let me finish. So let me finish. I'm saying let me finish.
You didn't say you understand me.
No, is that
I said that is only. If I finish, you would appreciate what I'm saying. I'm saying that it is only a useless government that is clothed with everything.
Yeah.
That will say that I can pick and choose when to enforce the law.
Yeah.
I've given you examples of high-ranking politicians who are being prosecuted for perceived crimes. So the issue of somebody, an opposition person, went to encourage people to engage in crime. A government shouldn't even be saying that. And what did you do?
No, but you saw it.
No, I'm saying, what did you do? It doesn't matter whether I saw it or not. What did you do about it?
You just told us that the person that you saw on this was invited by the police, right?
The candidate
was invited by the police.
Yes.
It's a step, right? Somebody has been invited by the police. We don't know the information the police has taken from him. We don't know the state at which the police is acting on that matter. Does that mean? Does that mean?
Did you see
that no step?
Did you see the galamsey, Accra Kumasi highway? Did you see what had been done about 5 meters from the main highway? As of last week, that pit had not even been covered.
We are all concerned about what happened.
It is not a matter of being concerned. I can be.
It is them.
Chief,
they encourage.
I can be concerned.
How can you say we encouraged it?
Chief.
You even said you would even give them amnesty.
All the things happening in
Konongo. Give them amnesty.
We said
you have not even proposed anything to do that.
Stop. This is a false.
All the things happening. All the things happening in Konongo Dumasi. There's a RECSEC there. There's a RECSEC there and everything. And I've seen what is happening. I've seen the work done by Erastus and all the other people. A town virtually hanging on stilts because there's mining going all under. And then government issues a statement to tell me that the same people who have superintended this thing are those that government intends relying on to enforce the law.
Is it how? There's always something to be done by existing bodies. Perhaps they can do things differently.
Because you have baptized them. You baptized them this morning.
The fight for
our brothers in the NDC
is over. This is the statement.
They are very organized labor, apostolic fathers, and all. The NDC cannot be trusted to fight in galamsey.
But NPP can be trusted.
Yes, because we have taken several steps.
Sure.
He's talking about registering them to do legal mining. We have done that. We have done that. We have done several registration. You've gone into the communities to stop us as a country.
How?
To tell them to
what did you go and do?
When you win in 2020, you will come and allow them to
what did you do?
In 2024, organized labor, apostolic fathers, they are telling us that they will grant them amnesty to come with bold power to be able to continue galamsey. That's why you said you are going to grant them.
We never said they should do galamsey. Galamsey is
you said you grant them.
Nobody has given anybody any right
to do it.
We said we will let they have shown.
And Randy, you see, he said they have ended them so. I don't even understand. You've ended them so when your minister of power said if he is not able to end it, he will resign, he will quit.
But he resigned.
Meaning he did not.
But he resigned 1 year before we lost power. What are you talking about?
I'm telling you that.
Oh no,
Don't.
He resigned.
He resigned
1 year before the end of our tenure.
And even in December. We were in Dumkura.
No, we were not.
We were in
for
Dumkura.
The whole of 9 months before we handed
we were in Dumso. We were in Dumso for 4 years.
My own people said we have.
My own people did not say that. Dr. Bawumia did not say that.
What about Owusu?
I didn't hear him.
You will never hear him too.
Dr. Bawumia
did not say that. People doing
did Dr. Bawumia say on Joy, the morning show, that then President Mahama did not deserve any applause for solving a problem that he created? Did he say that?
You see, Doc, you see, if you are saying Dr. Bawumia said did not, what was the contest?
We said now you are
let me play this video for you.
Economic mismanagement by this government, and so we shouldn't be giving them credit for solving a problem that they have. Cause of Dumso, and Dumso has been caused by the financial and economic mismanagement by this government, and so we shouldn't be giving them credit for solving a problem that they have. So, cause of Dumso, and Dumso has been caused by the financial and economic mismanagement by this government, and so we shouldn't be giving them credit for solving a problem that they have. So, cause of Dumso.
All right, okay. So I'm sure they'll sort out it.
You heard it. He said, even if that's why I said we should play the full thing.
But
he permits
when you were saying
on a conditional
that John Mahama had made a statement, you forgot that he also said that he was going to give them, make it from
Joyce Bauer did so. There are news
as
he said that
you're the leader of your
Joyce Bauer.
Yes, said that they will grant tax amnesty.
Joyce Bauer Mokhtari.
Yes, said what? Said that he will grant, even it's reported on Mahama will still grant amnesty to convicted galamsey miners. This is it.
On what basis? I said read the thing.
You want me to read it?
Yeah, no.
All right, thank you. Let me open. Mahama will still grant amnesty to convicted galamsey miners. And this is it. A special aide for the former president, John Mahama, has said that his next government will look into granting amnesty to alleged illegal miners awaiting prosecution in jail and some convicted miners. Speaking on Joy PM Express, Joyce Bauer Mokhtari said that it is unfair that the foreign nationals and government appointees implicated in the Prof. Prempeh Boateng's report on illegal mining have been left scot-free, whilst the Ghanaians with no voice suffer. If there are many of our brothers and sisters languishing in prisons because of illegal mining, certainly this is a matter that we must look at within the context of the Prempeh Boateng report, within the context of the corruption that has engulfed Akufo Addo and his government, within the context of the allegations with Mr. Mahama, has pledged to investigate and prosecute where possible. You are going to investigate and prosecute where you are removing people who have been investigated.
No, but you see, this is why I'm saying that. You are taking things out of context.
No context. If you are,
that's why I said you read it.
They know exactly what they want to do with galamsey. Look, nobody is going to profit from this galamsey issue again. We must fight it head on. And the NDC doesn't have the moral right to fight it.
We are going to look into it because of the fact that you are not prosecuting the right people. You have gone for the minions when actually the big people who are involved are not there. So we will look into it as a government. Looking into something is not the same as saying that they are getting amnesty.
It's the same thing.
What are you talking about?
Telling us that it's in the pipeline. You have not shown that courage to fight it.
And we are not in power. Randy, we are not in power.
But you can cause so much damage.
Not been in power. The galamsey that is going on, it is they should carry their
because you have encouraged them.
You are
giving if we are fighting it today, and then the person knows to give the person amnesty, he will continue to do it because you want to give the person amnesty.
Chinese ambassador to Ghana, or say China ni bi anwa wonim ba bia gold ne share.
That's true.
Did Atampana or did Akufo Addo ne Ghana mpemfo na emsa na asem na okan no.
Well, you do matem no kure no ka kire.
Da ameba o chom sa mutim kro ma magimi. Sabe. Chinese ambassador na asem na okan no. So enyansani na bobo ho a wa Ghana mpemfo are useless. Wa chemo say your stomach is in their pocket. I who sempa well say China ni bia niwa onim akura gold wo so
e no kure
e Ghana penfo na do moko o say China for kopa visa asem o me de kopa visa nya no no mbe no ha o kopa visa e ma
one issue visa no mo
e Ghana ambassador there e de Akufo Addo sheda e de Ghana ambassador kwa on na be ma galamsey for Abbey because adia visa application purpose no
hot news all time.
I want to visa no mo je se tourist
on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Papa na kai onyam na meka Chinese ambassador no o say adentina man ni gold bi wo South Africa no mo nsuo no mo kwaye nyina ye intact ne aso wo gold ni bi na de ye nsuo ni akwaye ase
e be benefo na kofo mo ba
I just say ye jimi papa
enya China for na the ba o say the ambassador ne kanu constituency chairman akwose say o mu free China ano do mo bi
na say wontum no agent tama NDC wo so no na chama wontum na ye agent okofo mo ba chama wontum ona na kofa China for free China ebakruma
salade na ye ne hu na
o musa de Edward Boate ko China no kwa de ye west de mehu ni say diama galamsey na se ne kon na ye den ni say Ghana penfo ebo oman na bro se wo hwe omusu no omuban any said omusi omuniema they behave as if tomorrow doesn't exist. Yeah, mona ke yesua mo but say mama yemu bia sabi o yadwene mu do no ye hunu say yesua mo enye yie etime enya wo hene enya sofo enya politician bi ena be ka sem bia mama tie because at the end of the day enya me koso o manu no omo mpe Ghana yie na me hunu say 1992 constitution no a part of it. America for na share JJ Rawlings na me ba na wo ka JJ asem ebra 19 before see ba be constitution we no JJ Rawlings at the fact finding mission amom called the then 10 regions e ko share the model of governance a beboa am ya transition from that military
the People's Assembly.
Yes. Omo ba no, omo fundings no na nya multi-party democracy. Na ye People's Assembly plus executive being the superstructure. And America for so mompre. As a JJ Rawlings, e di ho agora ye pemwa bi mo mfa mayen. Sa se me American pemu ba ko a no kan ho. Ye very Professor Anto on a confiding in me. So the ke ubu kura watro no pepe na ke di bebu man no. Ama I can champon a warn yen some multi-party democracy and near mass ye kwaya de bebre yen no ni nyina abem. Ah na Ghana na ekọ na chi no. De onya ya lusu na ade a menhu ne say Ghana be vote visa culture ne say wa ke kan cha so na wa hye nkapo and na ye bom twene na wo sa. Culture pa ya ade a de kire pa ne say Oma eniema aye yie. Oma eniema aye yie. Ana politics ye no. Politics is about leadership. Leader bia no a odwen next election. Leader bia odwen next generation. But partisan politics am omo dwen instant. Omo dwen next election.
The rabo am ye wini abato.
Eron kwa. Now so just see baby I Ghana Bruna. You lose everything, you lose Ghana with Rasta line, you lose about environment. Now catch for Mokruma. And you want to say one Tim and Son Quanta, and ne Pechia, Sabi, and a Pechine. Galamsey na do waboboano.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Ebe do some run about enche.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Na na Pechine so hunu ya ye kai no. Make up Pechine number 1. Na na mesrew. Baby aduro no ma muso. Na okarechi so Ghana army uyo mudi na hwe the Chinese ambassador statement or dia ba abontene about galamsey army. What do man you Ghana army? What the Ghana you big time?
Obiani do mo mine
because now come on, we are very disciplinarian institution. But you see, so trauma China for the to share. Omega say China for the tuba and also mko defend it. That's the mindset of the
because to them security is ammunition.
Maybe a weak mind people. When you're very weak, Ghana army, you are as weak as carbonic acid. Sir, China for the to share your environment. So, Namaya, what may I come on what to? Namo Sabwa China for Nama, we must say your environment. Then you are here. I never know who protect it. You can't the sovereignty of the nation. You can't country there. Country assassin. Country no ya assassin. Nasa China for 1.8 million. Abewura yin krom. Say you so near quiet. Now you was standing, you were regular army. Krom ha. Masa. Now I put in a pass one. That small boy was say. Oh please. Me pesa mo partisanship.
But when you know you woman,
it doesn't matter.
Describing us.
Describing because me, please.
On that note, you are being personal. Me, I don't like.
And you're personal. So we are minister.
As well, when you're small boy.
Nasa ni say will be a Sebion Saturday. Now
you can talk about Nejuman Oyen. Me say I want him to resign because you are failing. Now describing him small boy, the Wabro small boy. So
fair enough, but you can't small boy. Well, mindset and a chest of your swan. Okay, the joke was a joke. I said, you're that creator, but you are not a tico engine at the man. Over friend at creator. Say, you can fight creator body. ABC her. Now, engineer damn near tico. Can't a friend tico engine. Over friend at creator.
It becomes personal when you go that angle. Well, that's what I'm saying. Let's move to the Jumano.
Now, wo, maybe a tram was much hot to galamsey. Now, we work at a day. I'm a NPP for the legal mining. What is the difference between legal and illegal?
Paper.
Now, paper no crowd they don't go by the prescribed. Your friends say regulations also. Look, Opa mining auditing. No more kuta krata muso mo ye legal mining no. You go be a cheat.
Near you
go mining auditing.
And you know they been a Bakuya or the say.
Me catch yourself. Okay, say so international standard of surface mining. No more come illegal mining. Me na me catch mo pa mo mayamfa international people mlem.
Big companies you know we big mining companies you know. Almost say we need to start going to baby or moya mining near
me ba o katache me no maduro ba me say me wo expect wa brocha me dey ni mo information akoma wo mo say do mo ya no illegal ba wo ne empani fo na ya ba ko ana mo tuatu ska mo usumase ana mo say ye bibia new monto one your last state for the illegal mining and conform with.
I don't think the word is illegal because illegal is the paper na so.
But
they are not conforming to best practices. We are talking about law. The moment you use the word illegal, it means something that is not certified in the face of the law. Now what we are saying is that they are not conforming to the best practices of mining.
Masa, you can't say bibi legal. Who conform to the practice. You are conforming to the practice. It doesn't matter the paper who kuta. And the paper some. It is about conformity of the regulations. It is what I can't say. Okay, Mami making me point. I know where I
have to direct.
Mami muso asem.
But you.
So we are doctor.
Man say my director first one.
Okay. So we are doctor. No one else say what PhD. Now you now koye operation now we just sekane you will nipa now pamwa. No baka chacha be kata ne kuta minti no. I did the right thing. That son of person. They are doing illegalities in this country. All the mining companies. Say can say makwan amaya international level. Near the Ghana what do we call it? A large scale companies, you know, akokotoa. Ba kokra no be survive. Me na me catch on ne. Bawumia Campaign na ba and the they don't think about the future of this country. And say you go to Oma we must employ and deploy friends technology ebema yetimi aye okay hwe me buku me twoshem go do etu kroma no ye nya 10% 1% value one because the almost small grain kwano last year it was about 6 billion gold are unaccounted free the source of this country e ko di colonial masters no it here tibia na e wo no boa colonial masters say they don't come here in their personality omu ma say umba be die so enyama ne to be die so no yene sesa komo omu next to nothing yene sesa komo omu create a fashionalism multi-party democracy a bogus enyama Ghana ne Africa country bia bampenfo bi didim. That is what they are using to destroy this country and to make filthy wealth. It will not judge them say multi-party democracy is the best. I can't champion no issue jeni. Opa enfa Akufo Addo enyama wa nyina nto efom. Nyemfa a champion nyama be nyina nto. Obo Akufo Addo many baby ya.
JJ nyoma odi ku be ye na ama manfo ni suru sa ne.
JJ Rollins the financial to baby kra. One day can some kra. I don't want to hear this man sing. Where number one selfish, number one hypocrite, and number one liar. JJ Rollins, what the hatred and the Ghana. Only be beer or the bread Ghana because said you're not walking. Say JJ Dampare banner, a chair once, son, uncle D7 is a munachia. And JJ Rollins uncle to me instill discipline in the people. But JJ Rollins, when one can no way corrupt a chair, probity and accountability now. Also the baby Ghana. It is a way what here. Now JJ Rollins as if for how we are NDC for. That's what somebody do so. Now we are about grandma. Also tears where they are coming from. Right? That I'm saying I can. Many NDC voice you say. But you never seen a want to radio so I'm Kasabi. The NPP for you be a baby here dear. That I'm saying yes you baby 3 dear. Now you see a soldier for a job intervention I am a job intervention I'm my mind. Sir, galamsey na nyame dru balance eti mo mfa ho yesa galamsey na nyame dru mu do
mo bebre she mutu bi
me ba o nyame dru balance
ba cho ebere ntri bo e ba o me
ba can say so therefore you are as guilty as the perpetrators of galamsey so therefore mo kan ho mo shemu mato mo disappoint Ghana no mo guani mo ase me say mo the weakest army on this planet say environment mo ntimi am ho bai electoral commission Mami, filing way, you try be or file ma and Kojo Kyeremanteng info ni video no. Obi biara or then a signature. SC you are and Kojo Kyeremanteng krataso. Because sign be your video me. And your wadwene say obetra ama Akufo Addo abehwe kutupa. Na wakwa akoye nyama ensem fata. Ya ye homework ye and any why na woman contest no one tipe any ala ba kokura ni ho no one dey be Ghana for mon party papa eti dey I can say Kwadwo be faale ebia na wo chena ko utia ne na chi
ebia
na me say up to 13th enti ye hwe and many information very soon Chinese ambassador to Ghana or say China ni bia ni wa woni ba bia gold ne she
that's true
did atampana odidi Akufo Addo ne Ghana mpanimfo na amsa na asem na o kan ye no
we didi o matem no kure no ka kire
da meba o chom sa mutim krom ba magimi sabe Chinese ambassador national kind no so enyan sani na bobo ho a wa magana mpanimfo are useless wa chemo say your stomach is in their pocket I are ho sempa o well say China ni bia ni wa onim akura gold wo so
no correct
e Ghana mpanimfo na do moko o say China for kopa visa asema mo de kopa visa nya no no mbe no ha o kopa visa e ma
one issue visa no mo
e Ghana ambassador there e de Akufo Addo shada e de Ghana ambassador kwa on the be ma galamsey for Abbey because adia visa application purpose no a mo de visa no mo je set tourist o mo bedu anu makowura mining site papa na kai onyam na meka Chinese ambassador no o say adetina mining gold bi was South Africa no mo nsuo no mo kwa ye nyina ye intact ni aso wo gold ni bi na de ye nsuo ni akwa ya ase
e be benefo na kofo mo ba
I just say ye jimi papa na ka onyam na meka
wo na ade interpretation ka wono do kan na wo read o kwasi ade ya mewura me wo do kan na wo read di aka ye wo interpretation
na kwa asem no wo bi de to ha o se bo
so wo na wo bo na me se ka se wo bo bi ho engaze on the kai wo angaze ya jimi wo na wo chirim za
na do kan ye kumi kura ne se wo se China ban o mu suma Chinese ni bia so o mra me 2 months o me illegality so kroma edima bunu no papa na wa animu se obi firi ni kroma beto ahye so asoja fo so mu hunu Ghana ami so mdo mu hunu yo etu ya babu na tu krom na China ni abehye ho no otu gold akọ ni krom akoye ho yie no wajai asase a wudua bibia enye yie wo so amam no abremu kidney problem abremu children with deformities anawunim ukoma nso ahụ yetimi wo akora bi na ne sa we nyina ni ho na ne fingers no yetwetwa ne ha
no wait for we the ensema abeto yin so because jisim so na wo hwe no so we can subscribe ya omodi ase o subscribe so say had the latest and hot news in corner na the bremo afezu ya na like video na share mo for so enye bi na wo hwe oso betimi akire wa kan fa ye asem we na ho e wo comment box no obati nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.